Removing objects using content-aware fill. To remove unnecessary objects, simply make a selection using any of the selection tools. In this case, I will use the lasso tool to remove the offending object, in this case the ex-boyfriend. And I'll just make a loose selection around the offending object. And I'll make sure to include his shadow. With the selection made, go to the Edit menu and choose Content Aware Fill. This will bring up a new workspace. And we'll see in the middle section here, this is the resulting image, which looks okay, but it looks like we could improve it just a bit. Photoshop is guessing which pixels it should use to fill in this area. And it looks like it's getting a bit of the dog's leash and body. So let's exclude that from the possible areas that Photoshop can sample pixels from. So we will just change to the sampling brush tool and make sure it's set to negative. And we'll just paint over the leash and the dog. And that's looking much better. And let's see. The wall is looking a little wonky, so let's see if we can fix that just a bit. So we don't actually need to replace these pixels on the wall, so let's make a little bit of a tighter selection. So we'll set this to subtract because we want to keep these pixels. So we'll subtract them from the pixels that we're trying to get replaced. And hopefully this will give Photoshop enough of a clue that it'll make a nicer, smoother wall there for us. And it looks like it has. The only step now is to make sure that our output is set to new layer and press OK. And the offending object is gone.